Welcome this video. Video title is Smart Woodwork Project for Beginner. Woodwork is a reward hobby that allow you to create functional and beauty prize with your own hand. Whether you are seasoning woodwork or just starting over, those are plenty for smart project that you can tackle to hone your skill and create something special. We explored smart woodwork projects that are perfect for beginners. Wooden coasters. Coasters are a simple yet practical project that can be made for short wood. Start by cuts your wood into square or sand the edges to remove an roughness. Then you can go create with design by plan start or wood big pattern into the surface finish with a cost to perfect the wood from molding and durability. Wooden planted beyond a touch of natural indoor with the wood pattern. Those can be made in various size and shape shade to accommodate different type of plants from seed to hold. Use cap or other of resist wood for long view and decision. Hold in the button and provide waterlock. Finish with a waterfall shot. The project of would enhance its natural beauty. Wood photo frame showcase your favorite photo or artwork that with hard make wood photo frame. This perfect this project is perfect for beginning and can be customized into coat away. Start with basic material coding for a classic look at experiment with different join technically for a more unique design. Finish with top and plant to complement your artwork and perfect the wood for implement. Before start and woodwork project its impression for family yourself with basic soft and technically. Allow warm appear soft again such as soft glass and hard project and use chef tool with custom. Talk your time and work careful and do not be afraid to allow for help or choosy for register. It's your content and challenge allow to warm. In conclusion, deep woodwork project are great away and long. Use skill to create personalization image for your home, whether you are make cost trim shape blur that something soft about work that you hard asleep. Your idea come to life in what? So roll up your shape, gardening your prawn and get ready to upload your create with those beginner friendly project. Keep your kitchen original with a handmade wood wooden hard hold. This project can be as simple as a basic box shape or a inflow as your life depend on your skill level. Use hard work like make or a debut able and consider add divider to surface different type or finish with a foot soft again and perfect the wooden foremost and fit hard full shape. Full shaped are a turn and add to any room, then suffocation easy to make yourself.